All right, so if you're having problems with your LiftMaster garage door clicker, it's not working. As you can see, I'm pressing it, it's not working. To reprogram your garage door opener is really simple. All you do is press the button here. It is the LiftMaster Professional by Chamberlain, as you can see. All you need to do is press this button here. It's a red square. A light will go off right here. After that, you press the clicker within 30 seconds of pressing this red button here. What that will do is connect this clicker to your LiftMaster Chamberlain up here. So I'm gonna do that for you. But first, as you can see, I'm pressing it and the garage door is not opening. So press, you see the light come on there, and then I have 30 seconds to press the clicker. So I press it, the light goes off and come on. If it was off, then it would come on. So that means it's now programmed and ready to operate the garage door. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it. And there you have it, it's working. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it to close it. And it is as simple as that. So I'll just go ahead and put this in the car because it's not working. So just leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.